So this example should help you with a little bit more of, I think it's homework number, it's either 16 or 17 here. So you were getting some problems towards the end of the assignment that looked like this, where the cosine is equal to 0 and it gave you a cosecant equal to -1 or something along those lines. So basically, you want to go around your unit circle and figure out where exactly is the cosine 0. So I'm looking at all the x places where the cosine is equal to 0. So I notice it has to be either at pi over 2 or at 3 pi over 2. Well, I also need to know where the cosecant is 1. So if the cosecant is 1, we don't know the cosecant from the unit circle, but we know for sure that the sine has got to be 1 over -1, or still just -1, so that the y value also has to be -1. So that means that for sure we're at 3 pi over 2. When I'm looking for the other 6 trig functions, I just got sine by doing the reciprocal. To get secant, I can do the reciprocal of cosine, which would be 1 over 0, or you have to write that it is undefined because we can't divide by 0. The last thing I need to do is find the tangent and the cotangent. So the tangent, remember, is the sine divided by the cosine, and the sine is -1 and the cosine is 0. And when I have 0 on the bottom, I have to write undefined. And then the cotangent is the cosine divided by the sine, so I have 0 over -1, or just 0.